Are you curious about how Peertube stacks up against YouTube? In this video, we'll compare these two video platforms to help you understand their differences. Both Peertube and YouTube let you upload, share, and watch videos. They both have communities that love to create and share content, but they do it in very different ways. Let's start with PeerTube. PeerTube is a decentralized video platform. This means no single company controls it. Users can host their own servers, making it more flexible and community driven. It focuses on privacy and freedom of expression. You can find a variety of content, often less commercialized than on other platforms. Now, let's look at YouTube. YouTube is the giant in the video sharing world. It has millions of videos and a huge audience. Creators can monetize their content through ads and sponsorships. YouTube is user friendly and offers a lot of features like live streaming and analytics for creators. So, what are the key differences? PeerTube values decentralization and privacy, while YouTube is all about reach and monetization. YouTube has a polished interface and lots of features, but it can feel overwhelming with ads. PeerTube is simpler but may lack some advanced tools. When it comes to pricing, PeerTube is free to use. You just need to find a server to host your videos. YouTube is free too, but it has ads and offers paid features for creators. In conclusion, if you want a community focused platform with more control, PeerTube is a great choice. If you're looking for a vast audience and monetization options, YouTube is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.